Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project e-hiring portal. And I have developed this project in Java, JSP, and MySQL. For the JDK, I'm using is the JDK 1.8 and the MySQL version is 5.6. I'm running this project on the Tomcat version 9. But if you have Tomcat version 8 or 7, you can also configure this project on Tomcat version 7 and 8, right? So this is a web-based application. So for developing the web interface, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations and the date calendar plugin integrations, creating menus. I have used the jQuery plugins. For connecting MySQL with Java JSP, I have used MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website, right? So this all technology stack I have used for developing this project. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is e-hiring portal and it's a Java JSP MySQL web-based mini DBMS project. DBMS project because we are performing the create, read, update, and delete operations in MySQL using the Java codes, right? We have written all of the SQL queries here using the prepared statements, right? So let's start. So this is the home page of the project, and you can see this is a simple home page, and there is nothing dynamic on this home page, right? All the contents are static. This about again, this is a simple static home page, and if you want to change the content, you can change it from about.jsp. This is a companies, right? So these companies, all companies are coming from the database, right? So all of the informations are coming from the database here, right? If you click on the company name, you will be able to see all of the jobs available in that company, right? If you click on that job, then you will get all of the details of that job. You can see all of the details are coming here. If you want to apply for the job, then it's saying that login to apply, right? It will be applied if you login, then there will be apply button here, right? So this is a companies, this is all jobs, all of the jobs. This is a filter, right? If you click on the companies and if you click on any companies, then it will be filtered out according to the company. But if you click on the all job, you will be able to see all of the jobs available, right? Digital registration, so you can't apply for the job without registration. So you can register from here and you can apply the job. You can create user ID and password, and after that you can log in and you can apply for this job. This is a login from where you will be able to log in. This is a contact us. This is a static contact us page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I'm not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. So this is a totally static page. So I'm going to log in. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once you log inside the system, you will get the dashboard, right? Here you can perform these operations, right? This dashboard only be appeared after the login, right? Without login, there will not be any link to this dashboard, right? So already I have already explained in the home dashboard. This is the dashboard. This is the companies. This is all jobs, and this is the my applications. From where you will be able to see all of the applications for which you have applied for. This is a my account from where you will be able to update your account details, right? Now I am going to apply for some of the job. This one. So you can see it's saying that you have already applied for this job. Now I'm going for another job like this one, and you can see apply for this job. Once you click on the apply for this job, then after that you can see you can't apply for the same job again and again, right? And that application will be saved into the my application sections, right? So this is the user menu, right? So the same menu which is available in the header bar will be displayed here also, right? The last option is logout. Once you click on the logout, all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to access your own menus, right? Like my applications, my account. So let me click on the logout. Okay, logout. So this is a session driven menu. It's trending according to the session, right? If I log in again, then you can see the above menu has been changed. If I log out, then above menu has been changed, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project e-hiring portal. And as I told you earlier, this is a Java, JSP, MySQL web-based mini DBMS project, right? So it's a mini project because it has only customer or user login. There is no admin login available in that inside this project. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.